Hello everyone, today we're coming to you from the garage. And it's the week before Christmas, so if you're watching this around that time, I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas. And as normal around here, the snow is piling up and the roads are icy and nasty, so the bikes have been put away for the winter and here we are, stuck to the garage. But anyway, what I'd like to bring you today is a video that my son put together a couple years ago. And what it is, it's from the Wyoming Cut Slam. And what that is a challenge, I guess, for lack of a better word, of trying to catch all the cutthroat trout that are native to Wyoming. It's kind of a neat deal. You go around and you catch all the fish and you take pictures of them and document where you caught them at, and then you send that in to Wyoming Fish and Game and they send you a certificate. So it's kind of a neat challenge. It's a way for Wyoming Fish and Game to raise money for out-of-staters to go get fishing licenses and just I think it also helps them study what their fish populations are and how the fish are doing. So anyway, I'd invite you to come along and check out the video my son made. It was a lot of fun making this. We did it over a few days over in Wyoming and got to see some really neat out-of-the-way places, fish some creeks, and even got to fish Yellowstone National Park. So please join us, and I'll see you after the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, there was a lot of neat places, out of the way places. A couple of those, we had to drive 20 plus miles back in on dirt roads to get to those places, and it was neat to be back in there and just kind of alone, enjoying nature. And if you're new to the channel, I invite you to come along. I like to go out and just do motorcycle rides for the most part around the Rocky Mountains, and just get to show everybody all the beauty that's up in here and all the neat places. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, I would ask you to subscribe and maybe share it with your friends that might enjoy this kind of stuff. And please give the video a thumbs up. And I'll also link some of my other videos at the end of the video here, and I hope you enjoy those too. Well, thanks for coming along and reminiscing a little bit on our trip to Wyoming, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and thanks.